Alright, here in the garage late at night, trying to take this padding off these seats because I want to change the color. You guys saw the color, it was like tan with tweed. I'm making the interior a different color, different shade, let you guys see what I got. But I'm going to be powder coating the frame rails here. The frame of the seat, powder coat all that, and the backrest. But man, this is a chore trying to get all these hog rings off. My goodness, this guy overdid it. Look at all these hog rings. Gee whiz. Good morning, good morning. Hey, working on the VW today. Just did my headliner. Now I'm going to start on my seats. I'm going to follow Chris from Classic VW Bugs video. It's an awesome place to start. And step by step, I'm going to do these. Now, you guys probably saw pictures already that I'm going to post before this, that my seats, the back half and the bottom, they were torn up. And yeah, you can spray it, but I went ahead and powder coated these. So you can see here, my powder coat guy, man, he did an awesome job. Let me take this out. Well, I don't even have to take this out for you to see the job, but I'll just take it out anyway. I'm not sure if I videotaped I'm not sure if I videotaped it. I think they only charged me, I think it was $60 or $20 each or something like that. I don't remember. Did it a while ago, but they did a detailed job, and I went ahead and drilled out these the ones that were broke. You see the things that hold these spikes here. I got new ones and drilled them out and riveted, and I got some X ones I can show you, and I got this from SoFine, where I got the material at. Let me see here. This is the one, this is it right here. It's just a piece of sheet metal, and they already pre-drilled the holes, and it just so happens to match up with the exact one from factory, from Germany. So I got a bunch of these just in case, putting this on, and I sharpen these up, but these are really sharp. But anyway, I went ahead and did this, so it turned out pretty clean. So I'll see you in a little. Right, so here's the burlap material that SoFine gave me. Shoot, I remember using these. I used to work for Toyota Town back in 93 to 96. So basically it's like this. It's like a hog ring. You can put this in your nose. Just put one over here, make sure there's no wrinkles, which no one really can see anyways, but I'll know for myself that I did a good job. And when you do a job like this, you gotta have pride in what you do. Little glue on here, and I still got some foam. It's gonna go right up on top, but I'm just following Chris's directions. That way it comes out cool. I'll talk to you later. Alright, as you can see, I put that burlap material on the top, put a few on the corners to be good, trimmed off the X along here, just like this. Good. And sides have been tacky, that way when everything's on there, nothing's moving around. Everything's on there, good. I put this plastic on so the seat cover nicely slides over. And here's the seat cover that I got to match the bug and my headliner with the tweed. Looks pretty sick, man. And I got the bone all the way around, so everything matches my steering wheel. So I know there's a piece of metal that goes in here. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just use a hanger or something. So I went ahead and got my wife's help. We pushed this down because this has to be nice and tight. You see, almost like a conga player, a bongo. That's how tight the skin has to be. All right, and then I'm gonna bend these tabs in so nobody gets hurt, meaning myself. So I just got there is a bar that's supposed to go in the back. I'm not sure where it's at. Two hangers inside here. Get one up here. Oh. Shoot, I should have had my wife out here again. Darn it. I don't want to put this on the floor, but I'll just put my weight. Not much weight, but I'll just put my weight on there. Hold on. I got an idea. I'll bend this just a hair. I'm going to bend it back with the hammer. Perfect. That's nice and tight. Like I said, like a bongo drum. Then you take the string and you fasten it. You tie that up. All right, I'm gonna hammer these down. As you can see, I string here nice and tight on both sides, snugged it up. Perfect. I'm just gonna punch these in. If these break off, that would suck. This is just so good. Just so no one gets hurt, you know what I mean? That's it. Bam. And there we have. Right now I'm going to put it out in the sun, what sun wherever we have, and just let the heat just kind of mold it in. That's it. It's not even that hot out here. So I'm just going to go with it and just maybe get a heat gun and just kind of gently go over it, massage it in. Perfect. That's the bottom. Now let's go ahead and do the top side, the back side of the seat with the spring. I fixed one of these already, and I fixed one of these bars. But so it's the same thing. We're going to place this on top to rivet a new one on there and then cut it. This is some of the things you got to do when you have an older restoring something nice. Just got to do some modifications, no big deal. That's it. Boom. Oh, 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 oh. Here we go. That's it. Amazon. They're about $20 for these scissors, or $30. But when you're working with rubber seals, when I put the window in and stuff like that, and the seals around the hood, it slices that rubber quick. Those on the video from Classic VW Bugs, I appreciate it. You turn this in. I've seen my dad do this many a times, not with the car, but he's like a seamstress, master seamstress on suits and pants and stuff like that. So this is pretty familiar with me. And that's it. I'm going to turn you on fast forward. I got to pull this so this stitch, everything's even right here, as you can see. You see, everything's even on both sides. I just got to pull it down a little bit. So this bar, there's a bar in here. It tucks into this groove right here. And it'll pull this nice and tight. See how it takes that wrinkle out? So I'm going to put you on fast forward so I can get this done. Notice that this is a little bit too tight when I'm trying to put it in there. So I got to open this up just a little bit. That's it. This looks pretty good other than this. With this, the pleat is even, and look, this is the bottom of the chair, nice and tight, even over here, all the way down. Look, boom. Now I'm all done. Well, I got to do the other side, but I'm pretty happy, pretty satisfied on how this went on doing the, what do you call it, the passenger seat. Now I got to do the driver's seat. I think it looks pretty sweet. I went ahead and powder coated the frame and went the extra mile and got this stuff over here at So Fine Upholstery with my headliner and my door panels, and I got basically the whole kit or whatever it is. All right, and this is a sneak peek of the interior right here. 1 second. Boom! Look at that mug. That looks sweet. Look, the lines line up on the backrest and on the seat part. Everything's even, just how it's supposed to be right here. The gap. That's a little recliner. The gap right over here. I got new doorknob, not doorknobs, but what do you call that, seat adjustment knob. I had to rethread this one actually because the other one busted off, I guess, so I just rethreaded it. But this is it. This is it. This is the end result of the seat. It's nice material, man, nice material. I want to thank Chris at Classic VW Bugs. By his video, man, this is happening. By his video, this is happening right here. All right, we'll talk to you later.